going to remind you of the pure sounds for the vowels, all right? So A makes two sounds. A says its name A as in acorn, and then it says A as in apple. B says B. C says K. And it also makes the S sound as in celery. D goes D. E is E. It also says its name E. F is F. Okay. G is G. And it makes the sound J also. H is H. I is I. And it says I, says its name. J is J. K is K. L, L. M, M. N, N. O, A. And then it says O, it says its name. P is P. Q is actually the K and the W sound, so it goes K, W, Qu, Qu, okay? R, make sure you don't say R is not R is R, like rope and rabbit, okay? S, S. T, 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 T. U is it also says its name U. V is V. W, W. X is also two sounds. It's the K and S, so it's X, X, K and S. Y is Y, like a karate chop, Y. And Z is Z. Hope this helps.